Alright, you guys, so we are back at Ikea again. And as you know, if you watched our previous vlog, you would see that our car stopped working at Ikea. Well, our battery died and we fixed that. But we are back at Ikea because last night we were putting together our entertainment center that we got from Ikea. And we realized that we bought the wrong pieces. So with that being said, we're about to go in Ikea and return this. Yeah, get a cart thing. Wait, is he? Well, Ronald said he gonna carry it. Okay, so we have to return these pieces and get some more pieces. Did you bring the baggies or you didn't bring the bags for the hinges? Nope.
I did.
Oh, okay. I just want to make sure. I don't know if we need this or not. Just take it. Okay. All right, so let's go into Ikea. Yes, I did. I recorded all of our foods. So we're at Ikea. I love getting their sweetest meatballs, and they have like a little sauce here. And then I got the sparkling pear drink, and Ronald got raspberry, and Ivana got the same thing.
I got wingleberry.
Yeah, the wingleberry or whatever.
And I got the other chicken gravy on top of everything.
Oh, you tried the chicken gravy?
The lemon.
All right, so we're gonna eat our food and then continue on through Ikea to see if we can find the missing pieces to our entertainment system. Okay, y'all, so I know this is kind of like a weird angle, but have you ever gone to Ikea and just window shop? I window shop all the time. I think I window shopped in Ikea for 3 years before I actually bought something out of Ikea. Oh man. Once with the yellow tags, you can't see the prices on the Ikea app.
I'm window shopping.
She's shopping for Jemiah in the future. In the future. The near future. Yeah.
I want to go home and finish this place.
Yeah, I do. I want to go home and finish too.
I'm gonna go to your guys' home.
And finish our home.
I'm ready to dig in with the screwdriver. Like, let's go.
Let's go. Say by me. Shut up. Ronald's talking about my key ring, y'all.
She added a flashlight to her key ring.
Wait. Okay, first off, Ronald's over here trying to talk about my key ring. But my key ring can save us in the future. Y'all want to know what's on my key ring? I got everything on my key ring. I got flashlights on my key ring. I got a fuzz ball on my key ring. I got everything on my key ring. Look. This is my key ring.
While you're reviewing this footage, Google search the guy that's in the Matrix 2. The guy who has all the keys.
I got the keys.
Just show his face like
Keys. I got the keys. I don't know what he's talking about. I guess I looked that up on the Matrix. But yeah. I got keys, y'all. Alright. So now I'm looking for knick-knack stuff. Yeah.
Nowadays. Because I've been watching Flip Flop.
What are they talking about, y'all? I don't know what they're talking about. Okay, so I'm looking for plants and measuring cups. Did we pass the measuring cups? No? I don't think so. I don't think so. Well, yeah, we did. We gotta go back. I know because I know Ikea. I just want to find measuring cups so I can go get plants. I have been buying up plants, y'all. I hope I don't kill my plants. I have been buying up plants, and I hope I don't kill none of my plants. I feel like I'm about to do a science experiment.
You want to get the one before, because that's fine.
Okay.
Yeah, that looks like a beaker.
Yeah, it looks like a beaker. Like I'm about to do a science experiment. She's talking about stuff. When you gotta question it, it's heavy. No. What is not heavy? Let it go. This is heavy.
I'm trying to make sure she got it.
Y'all thought I was gonna drop
It
it?
didn't even look like you had it.
I did have it. I had it.
You say let it go, like
Let it go.
you didn't give me the confidence
Let it
that you had
go. Can't hold it back anymore. Let it go. Let it.
See, if I was watching your video right now at this point, this is where I would click back.
This is when you click back. You petty. Okay, so we're having a debate right now. Ronald wants to get these, but his sister just used one to sweep the floor with. Like, literally. Like, she took it like this, y'all. And... Like, yeah, I'm not buying this. Look at this. Come look at this. It just fell out. Do you know what Cadence is going to do to this?
Alright, let's just, yeah, we'll stick with these.
We don't have to get those, though. Don't they have something
I
else?
actually like these, though, still. I still like them. I'm just saying.
And with the silver.
Yeah, we'll stick with that.
I was thinking like something like this. No, it's fake.
I don't want to take focus away from the actual TV, do y'all?
No.
No.
That's the thing. We want to give way to it. This is not a bad idea, but where's black pot stuff?
You'll get another. You see how you got the silver one? Get this one. Does it need to be bigger? Yeah, it needs to be bigger, but you get the drift.
Do you see you like this one?
I don't know. I'm having second
No,
thoughts.
I still like these.
Okay.
I still like these.
Okay. So this is okay. Plant back in action. I saw another baby plant that I want.
Oh, you still gotta take care of the baby plant that you haven't planted yet.
It is planted.
Yeah, you gotta move it to another pot.
Yeah, this is where we have to find everything. Yeah. Aisle 7, so it's on the odd side, right? Yeah.
Now I feel like you like the dance club.
Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. So now you cut yourself at
I
IKEA.
have Google, and I thought I
You
had
got a
Band-Aid in
lawsuit,
my
girl.
Oh,
Got a lawsuit.
like a legit. She
Coin?
probably did.
Yeah, keys, coin, whatever.
Don't be trying to rush me. Don't be trying to hurry up. Don't be trying to beat me. Hope I'm about to get the That's why I got a quarter. That's all right. That's why you walk around with pennies. It didn't matter, nigga. How dare you rush me? Like, why we in a race to try to get quarters? Okay. I did all that for no reason.
I believe it's upstairs.
New Balance is 00.
99 tickets out.
Go ahead and swipe your card, sir. Swipe your card, sir. Spend that money. I'm not coming back to IKEA. No, I hope not. Well, if I get my plant, I'll be back for my plant. Yeah, YouTube, yeah. Oh, wait. Say hi. Okay, we are leaving IKEA again, and the car better crank up.
I'm pretty sure.
It's gonna crank up now. We have fixed it out after all the trouble that we've been through at IKEA. Thank you. I'll keep that receipt just in case we decide to take anything back. But hopefully we're not coming back to IKEA no time soon. All right. Bam! That thing cranked up quick. Oh, thank God for a new battery. All right, so we headed home now.
Heading home.
To finish up what we started. So let's go. All right, you guys. So I am currently back at home. We have completed our IKEA shopping and we're actually like at home. Ronald went to go and take his sister Ivana home and I'm still here and I have a slight headache for some reason and it really hurts. So I'm actually done for today, but I wanted to show you guys like those are some of my little IKEA plants and I got the counter all cleaned off and everything like that. So I'm really excited to finally be, for the most part, moved in. Our furniture is gonna be delivered on Sunday. So, you know, by the time you guys see this video, everything will probably be up, decorated, and nice. So I want to say from the bottom of my heart, thank you to everyone who has watched any of my videos. I appreciate you guys. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for your support. And until next time, peace.